And in this video, I'm going to talk about how can you unblock somebody on WhatsApp. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to unblock somebody in WhatsApp, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application. And after opening the WhatsApp application, you will just simply have to select any of the contacts which you have blocked. And you just simply have to go into the profile of that contact which you have blocked. And after going into the profile, you will get to see a lot of options at the very last. And into them, you will get to see this unblock username option. Just simply tap to unblock, and after a while your contact will be unblocked into WhatsApp. This way you can very easily unblock somebody into your WhatsApp. I hope you find this video helpful. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video.